Which is the best.
Yeah, which is nice. Thank you. Sure. Sige, sige.
Sino ang pumatay kay Paco Palacios? Sino ang pumatay kay Paco Palacios? Chang Susan, Tonito J. Chang Susan, ikaw ba ang pumatay kay Paco Palacios? Hindi po, hindi ako pumatay. Chang Susan, sabihin mo na. Hindi po ako dahil pinasususpensa ng Tonito J.
Hindi po.
Ikaw ang pumatay siguro.
Hindi.
Upang ka naman magkasabot kayo.
Hindi po.
Tonito, magsabi kayo ng totoo. Sino hindi? Rafael! Ikaw ba ang pumatay kay Paco Palacios?
Hindi pwede ako pumatay kay Paco Palacios. Alam niyo bakit?
Bakit?
Kasi ako, si Paco Palacios.
Sandali lang. Nay, Tay, kapuso, magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. At buong mundo, welcome to Fast Love with Boy Abunda. I'm so happy that you could join us today.
Yes, thank you for having me.
Sino ba talagang pumatay? Kay Paco Palacios.
Hindi ko pwedeng i-reveal pero promise talaga the whole story is gonna bring you to different suspicion talaga.
At saka marami pa yata, marami ba ang mamamatay?
I think dalawa, maybe three. Hindi natin alam eh, kaya kailangan
That's interesting.
Well, para sa akin kasi Tito Boy, every experience with every leading lady is different talaga. Different dynamics, different chemistry, different ugali,
Pero ito?
catering. This one, may naudlot kasi kaming project dati ni Bea Alonso. So ngayon, it's coming to fruition. And I'm just super happy na it's Widow's War talaga. Kasi makikita mo yung dynamics namin doon. And kung paano namin ipoportray yung dalawang buhay na nagsettle. Ang lalim kasi ni Paco Palacios eh. I mean, I would set him on the mentality na parang may pagka-sociopath.
Okay.
That's a very, what do you call this, a very deep mental issue, di ba? So para sa akin, I had to dive deep into that type of mentality na sa harap ng tao, you're so nice, but you're hiding something so violent within you talaga na
Okay.
just waiting to be revealed.
Ngayon, yes or no, are you married?
Yes.
Yeah. You are married.
Yeah, it's a tough job.
Tough.
It's something we decided noong 2020. We signed the papers just between us noong April 2020.
Quiet.
Yeah, very quiet, and that's our favorite number talaga. So.
Oo, yung kayo lang.
Pero when I realized I was in love with her, it was like, oh no. Guys, I think I'm in love. This is gonna be hassle. Alam ko na isa-sacrifice ko yung kaligayahan ko para sa kanya. Yung mga kagustuhan ko, alam ko na mas ibibigay ko sa kanya. So, mas hassle talaga. Kasi wala, in love mo na eh.
Ano yung say hashtag hassle?
Kaya hashtag ko is hassle ka, leche ka. She got my heart eh, wala akong magawa eh. Love is such a difficult force to fight against. Alam mo yun, when you want to give something, when you want to give your whole heart, it's so tough not to do it.
Oo.
Yung philosophy ko kasi sa buhay is more on being grateful for everything that I get, that I achieve. Am I happy? Yes. Am I satisfied where I am? Yes, I am. Am I fulfilled as an actor? Yes, I am. Kasi ang dami kong iba't ibang klaseng projects na iba't ibang klase yung kailangan na yun na-require sa akin na talent for that particular character. Do I deserve more? And could I do more? Personally, I feel younger than ever. I feel stronger than ever. My health is at optimum. I think I could do more.
Make love, fight war.
Make love.
Paglilihim, aamin. Mang-aakit, mananakit.
Mga ate.
Tahimik, matinik.
Matindi.
Traidor, tirador.
Tirador.
Lights on or lights off?
Lights.
Happiness or chocolates?
Happiness.
Best time for happiness.
At night.
Complete this. In life, all I need is...
Your love.
Galing.
Ang gusto kong tanungin kay Tito Boy, sino yung pinaka-interesting tao para sa'yo na na-interview mo na yung mga lessons niya ay dadalhin mo habang buhay? So para sa akin, yung buong interview kanina, kinakabahan ako. Pero the more I talk with Tito Boy, the more comfortable I get. And yun, doon siya magaling na linalabas niya yung totoong personality mo. At ang galing niya magtanong without offending you and making you feel na safe space siya para sumagot. So the overall experience with Tito Boy talaga, I would love to guest more. I would love to have longer conversations with him. Personally, gusto ko siya makausap ng hindi na sa set kasi I believe he stores so much knowledge sa mga experience niya sa pag-i-interview sa mga tao sa showbiz and outside.
You know!